everyone, Kat here of Homeschooling V and Z, and for this video, we're going to share with you itong learning kit from Super Toy Store. Papakita namin ano bang laman nito, paano siya i-assemble, and also stay tuned for our first ever giveaway dito sa YouTube channel. If you're new to our channel, I'm a homeschool mom of 3 kids here in the Philippines. So sa channel na to, we share our homeschool journey, yung mga tips and tricks na natutunan namin along the way, the realities of homeschooling. Ayan. So, kung hindi pa kayo subscriber, click the subscribe button and then click nyo rin yung bell para ma-notify kayo ng mga new videos namin. Okay, so, let's get started. Check natin laman nito. So for our giveaway, itong learning kit from Super Toy Store, we'll be giving out 3 boxes of these skeleton model learning kit. So 1 winner from our YouTube channel, 1 winner for our Instagram account, and 1 winner for our blog. So for the instructions on how to join for the blog and the Instagram, I'll just update the link sa description box kapag naka-up na siya. For our YouTube channel, okay, so 1 winner for this, and all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and then comment down below sa video na ito yung name and age ng batang pagbibigyan nyo ng learning kit na ito kung sakasakaling kayo ay mananalo. Yan. So, thank you again to Super Toy Store. Check out their website. The giveaway will run until September 15, 2019, and then we will announce the winner both on our Facebook account, Instagram, and try ko na rin announce sa next video. Yan. So, please join and thank you again for watching.